Welcome to Machine Maker. We are with Sunil Gurbaksani. He is an expert in transformer and electricals. It is great pleasure in welcoming you to Machine Maker. Can you just tell me about the company you are representing and what they do?
I am working with Ornet Transformers Private Limited. They are manufacturing inverter duty transformers and power transformers. They established in the year 2014, and my present work is to do the development to increase the productivity and quality. Also, I am looking for the new plant installation and erection.
Sir, you told very important word, productivity. Recently, I was talking to some of the manufacturers abroad and looking at the possibility of making India as a global hub. One thing they are telling, comparing to Europeans or comparing to US or Japan, our productivity is less. You, as a leader who is looking to increase the productivity, what are the challenges you face?
Main challenges are the automation. We don't have much more automation like European countries because our culture is like that. We believe in human work. We do not believe in automation. That is the reason which kills the productivity.
Sir, you and Dr. Arvind Patel and Valgro is having a very long history. When Dr. Arvind was into the trading, from that time before 2-3 decades you are associated with it. And today you are in Valgro stall after all these years. How do you see him and Valgro playing a part in your life?
Mr. Arvind is a good friend of mine. He came to meet me when I was working with Electrosum India Limited. At that time he was just doing sales of the 3M scratch pads. We started using of those pads, and then when I shifted from Electrosum to Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited, there also I introduced him. We started using different products of him like mop wheel, scrubbing pads. Now he is a different person. Now he is a manufacturer of not only tools but he has manufactured machines also which are very useful for the deburring of metals and polishing. I am very happy to see his progress, and whenever I visit any exhibition I found him there.
It's very happy to hear it from you because Machine Maker is having a vision to be the voice of manufacturing, and we also feel the kind of contribution manufacturers doing to make in India and for our country is important. Dr. Arvind Patel is one of our first change maker. We are great to hear your experience with him, which also see that why he is a change maker. Thank you very much for your time and insights what you shared with us.